This video guide is about getting rid of the online scam by the website psirsur.com. Psirsur.com is a new dangerous site that may unexpectedly attack Google Chrome and many other browsers. Psirsur.com tries to basically trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Such pop-ups tell you to download certain cleaner. It also tries to trick you into subscribing to the intrusive push notifications. So, speaking about these pop-ups by psirsur.com, do not ever tolerate them. Such pop-ups are fake and deceptive. Just leave this deceptive page out. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So, green download Combo Cleaner button must be clicked on. Then download the software, install it, and begin carefully examining the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.